This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if your Audi engine is slowly being damaged? Not by bad luck, not by mysterious failure, not by something dramatic, but by habits you repeat every single week, maybe every single day. Because this is the uncomfortable truth many Audi owners never hear. Modern engines rarely die instantly. They are usually worn down slowly, quietly, progressively, by repeated behavior that feels completely normal. And because nothing explodes immediately, drivers assume everything is fine until the repair bill arrives. And by then, the damage has already been building for months or years. Today, we fix that, because if you own an Audi, understanding engine prevention is one of the smartest things you can do. Let's start with one of the biggest killers, cold aggressive driving. This is brutally common. The engine starts, the car feels normal, you're late, traffic is moving, you accelerate hard, quick overtakes, fast merges, high RPM, heavy throttle, and the logic seems simple. The engine is running, so it's ready, not necessarily, because startup is one of the most sensitive moments for engine stress. Systems need time to stabilize, temperatures need time to normalize, lubrication behavior changes after startup, and aggressive use too early creates unnecessary stress, especially repeated over months or years. This does not mean driving like a grandmother. It means understanding timing. Now let's talk about short trips. This one quietly destroys engines because owners think, I'm only driving 5 minutes. Exactly, that's the problem. Quick grocery runs, school drop-offs, short commutes, frequent engine starts. Repeated short cycles. The car rarely spends enough time in a more stable operating pattern, and repeated inefficient use becomes hidden wear. No warning light, no dramatic symptom, just silent cumulative stress. Now let's talk about ignored fluids. This is where many expensive ownership stories begin. Because fluid neglect is boring, and boring things get ignored. But engines depend on stable support systems. Ignoring warning signs, delaying attention, assuming later is fine. That's how preventable problems become expensive ones. Before we continue, quick reminder. If you love practical Audi ownership advice, hidden features, and ways to avoid expensive repairs, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now let's talk about poor throttle habits. This one surprises people, because performance driving is not automatically harmful. Bad performance habits are constant aggressive bursts, repeated unnecessary hard acceleration, impatient traffic behavior, driving emotionally. These habits increase stress dramatically over time. Same Audi, different habits, completely different long-term outcomes. Now here's another silent killer. Ignoring strange behavior, small hesitation, slight roughness, odd sound, tiny change in response. Owners rationalize everything. It's probably nothing. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. The problem is delay. Small issues caught early are manageable. Ignored issues become expensive. Now let's talk about heat. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of mechanical longevity. And many drivers unknowingly create bad heat habits, repeated hard use, immediate shutdown after stress, poor awareness. Thermal management matters far more than most owners realize. Now let's discuss maintenance psychology. This is important. Some owners treat prevention as optional spending. Wrong mindset. Because prevention is usually cheaper than failure, massively cheaper. The smartest Audi owners think differently. They do not ask, what is the cheapest way to survive? They ask, what prevents expensive regret? That mindset changes ownership completely. Now let's imagine two Audi owners, same engine, same model, same mileage. One repeats destructive habits, ignores early signs, drives reactively, delays attention. The other drives with awareness, responds early, protects the engine. Completely different ownership story. And that is the point, because engines rarely fail from one dramatic mistake. They are usually worn down by repeated normal behavior, and we're just getting started. Because in part 2, we go deeper into more silent Audi engine killers most owners never think about. Because some of the most expensive engine damage starts with habits that feel harmless. Now let's continue, because some of the most damaging engine habits are the ones owners rarely think about. And that's exactly what makes them dangerous. Not because they destroy the engine instantly, but because they repeat quietly, again and again, until the cost becomes very real. Let's start with another major killer, ignoring warning lights. This sounds obvious, but real ownership behavior says otherwise. A small alert appears, the car still drives, nothing dramatic happens. So the owner keeps going. One day becomes a week a week becomes a month. The logic becomes, if it were serious, the car wouldn't still be driving. That assumption can become very expensive. Because warning behavior exists for a reason. Early awareness often creates early prevention, and early prevention is where ownership costs stay manageable. Now let's talk about bad fuel habits. This topic creates endless arguments, but one truth matters. Engines perform best when ownership habits are consistent and intelligent. Repeated poor fueling choices, inconsistent routines, ignoring how the car behaves. All of this can gradually reduce ownership satisfaction and performance feel. And when the engine feels rougher, less efficient, or less responsive, owners often blame age instead of habits. Now let's talk about delayed reaction to strange sounds. A new vibration, a rough startup, an odd ticking sound, a different response. Tiny changes. Owners normalize everything. That is dangerous, because engines communicate, and ignoring communication creates risk. Not every sound means disaster, but every unexplained change deserves attention. Now let's discuss emotional driving. This matters more than enthusiasts like to admit, because spirited driving is not automatically destructive. Repeated abusive habits are constant full throttle impatience, aggressive repeated bursts in inappropriate conditions, stress-driven driving, impatient stop-and-go behavior. The engine becomes a victim of owner emotion. Same Audi, different driver mindset, completely different long-term outcome. Before we continue, quick reminder. If you love practical Audi ownership advice, hidden features, and ways to avoid expensive repairs, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now let's talk about shutdown habits. This is massively underestimated. Owners finish a hard drive, fast motorway run, aggressive acceleration, high thermal load, then immediately switch everything off and walk away. No awareness, no thought. Heat behavior matters, and repeated poor thermal habits quietly increase long-term stress. Now let's talk about neglect culture, because some owners wait for failure before caring. This mindset destroys budgets. Reactive ownership is expensive ownership. Preventive ownership is smarter ownership. Assuming modern engineering makes bad ownership harmless. This is common. It's a premium German car. It can handle it. It's engineered for abuse. This is common. It's a premium German car. It can handle it. It's engineered for abuse. Premium engineering is impressive, but repeated bad habits still create consequences. Technology improves resilience. It does not erase physics. Now let's talk about driving style consistency. Engines like predictable, intelligent use. Wild inconsistency creates stress. Extreme passivity one day, constant aggression the next. Repeated erratic usage patterns. Ownership behavior matters. Now let's discuss hidden neglect, because many owners think, no warning light, hot or healthy. Wrong. Not all gradual problems announce themselves dramatically. Some changes appear subtly. Reduced smoothness, slight roughness, performance feel decline, increased fuel usage, small clues. Smart owners notice patterns. Now imagine two Audi owners again. Same engine, same mileage, same environment. One ignores early signs, drives emotionally, delays attention, normalizes odd behavior. The other responds early, drives intelligently, understands prevention, completely different repair future. Now here's the real lesson. Engines rarely die from one cinematic catastrophic event. They die from accumulation, small poor choices repeated consistently. That is why prevention matters, because prevention is not exciting, but repair bills are unforgettable. Before we finish, remember this. If you want more Audi ownership advice, hidden technology tips, and ways to avoid expensive mistakes, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Because the biggest threat to many Audi engines is not age, it's ownership habits nobody questions. Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.